Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching this episode where we're going to be talking about 4 solid ways on how to plan for home maintenance costs. We know that sometimes home maintenance costs come up. A lot of times it's when we don't expect it, so it's important to have a plan to cover future home maintenance costs. So the first one is set aside time and money for necessary home maintenance. Things like furnace tune-ups, have your AC checked once a year, maybe have a home inspector look at certain areas like your attic or whatnot once a year or once every couple years, right? Find out the frequency on that and just have someone look at your home to determine that things are in tip-top shape. The second one is a plan ahead for major purchases and home fixes or improvements. Keep in mind how old your roof is, how your concrete is, right? Your driveway, your pathway, is it starting to crack? Is it starting to sag in certain areas? What's going on with your home that may cause you to actually spend money in the near future? For example, the wood framing right around the house. If you have a colonial home where the first floor is ranch and the second floor is wood, well, many times those boards go bad, and so they have to be replaced out before it gets worse. So just think, okay, what am I going to have to probably save up money for in the next, I'd say, 3 to 5 years? Third one is take inventory of your home's condition, appliances, and their warranties. Know what type of warranties you have on your current appliances, right? Your washer, dryer, even your furnace, quite honestly. Dishwasher, oven, built-in wall oven / microwave, whatever the case is, make sure that you take inventory of your home's condition as well as your appliances. And then the fourth one is make sure that your home insurance is active and make sure you have the right policy. If something catastrophic was to happen, are you covered? Make sure you have enough insurance to protect you, and at the same time, make sure you don't have too much insurance because you will ultimately pay more for that. But make sure you have enough insurance, make sure it's active, and make sure that you have enough, which constitutes a phone call to your agent and just say, hey, if something were to happen here or there, right, a storm or basement floods, what's covered, what's not covered, so that you know that if an emergency happens, you are prepared for it. I hope you found this episode valuable. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments, as well as visit me on social media. Those links are in the description below, and check out my websites. I'll put those in the description as well. Otherwise, I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.